Hello and welcome to Hoosierback Outdoors. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. Remember, if you're new here and you like anything and everything to do with the outdoors, especially a lot of fishing, then reach down, hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, that way you're notified every time we post a new video, and I'd really appreciate it. Today, we're right in the edge of town. We're in a creek that runs through town, and there's some smallmouth, there's some rock bass, there's a bunch of different species in here. And I have a new lure that I'm fixing to show you here in just a second that I'm going to try out and see if we can get a fish. Okay, here are the lures I was telling you about. They are from Lunker City. They're called hell geese, 3-inch hell geese. And you can see here that I got the red shad color, the green pumpkin, and the black pumpkin. This morning what I've done is I've put on a black pumpkin color, and we're gonna go throw it around in this little creek here, try it out, see if we can get a bite. I already see some fish flopping just below the rapids down there. We're gonna try to hit this right here. I brought my chest camera, but I forgot my SD card. I do not have an extra SD card on me, so we will be filming just with the main camera today. Let's try to catch one of these fish flopping down here. Well, we spent about 10 minutes there. I got a couple follows and a couple of pecks at it, but nothing significant. We'll toss over here in this, where this other creek meets this creek. See if we can get a bite. I'm gonna try to stay back so they can't see me. They're just too little to get it in their mouth. Whole bunch of little fish pecking at it. I can see them. And actually a sucker came up and hit at it. Oh well, we'll go try down here under this bridge. Okay, so I found a whole bunch of little tiny microfish down here, and so I have switched it up a little bit. I've put on, if I can get it to focus, maybe not. I put on a little tiny trout magnet, and we'll see if we can catch some of those microfish with this. I'll move the camera down a little further so you can watch. Let's do it. Well, so much for microfishing. There we go. Well, that. I switched to the trout magnet and caught a little tiny smallmouth. I kept seeing him swim by there. I was just going for some of the other species that are there. But yeah, nice little smallmouth on the trout magnet. That's pretty cool. Let's let him go. How about that? Next cast. Got a little long-eared sunfish. What a beautiful little creature. Beautiful, beautiful fish. That is so cool. Another one. What a pretty little fish. This creek is just loaded with these micro. Oh, that was a big green sunfish. There's a pretty decent bass right there, and he went for it that time, and I totally did. Oh, he spit it out before I could set the hook. Right there's a green sunfish, and he won't quit flopping. He's gotten himself dirty. Little green sunfish. Yeah. Awesome. Another nice little smallmouth. Perfect little fish. That's really cool. On the trap magnet. Another long-eared sunfish. Well, I have caught fish until I'm tired of catching fish. I was gonna take my camera here and show you some of these fish in the water. There's some suckers in there, there's some smallmouth, a bunch of different species. But I'll take the camera and zoom in and try to show you with this clear creek how cool it looks. I think that's a sucker. Remember, if you are new here, reach down, click that subscribe button. If you like this kind of thing, give us a big thumbs up. I'll put 2 more videos here on the screen for you to click. If you like this kind of thing, go ahead, click on those videos. You'll enjoy them, I promise. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.